Hey everyone, this is Mike Pfeiffer and welcome to Scaling AWS Resources. In this course, we'll take a look at everything you need to know to implement elasticity for your applications with the AWS Autoscaling service. This service provides a single user interface used to automatically scale your applications using multiple AWS services. To get started, we'll explore how the AWS Autoscaling service is different than the autoscaling features that you have with virtual machines running in EC2. You'll learn how to get started quickly, gain an understanding of how AWS Autoscaling works, and we'll explore patterns and best practices for implementing elasticity in your applications running on the AWS Cloud Platform. From there, we'll dive deeper into application autoscaling. You'll learn how to deploy target tracking scaling policies, step scaling policies, and you'll see how to implement scheduled scaling. Finally, we'll tie all of this together so you understand how to implement these scaling policies with services like the Amazon Elastic Container Service, DynamoDB, and Amazon Aurora. So whether you're looking to implement production applications or you're just looking to learn more for AWS certifications, this course is definitely for you.